So guys, here's my analysis on GU today. So I spotted a shark fin on GU 30 minutes time frame. So that's a self setup. But before I pick my trade, I'm looking for a supporting confluence, which is a resistance level that will give me an entry. So I spotted a resistance at 16089, but it seems to be broken. So I'm looking at the resistance as a level and not a particular price. So I spotted another high as a resistance at 16177. So I'm looking at that area. So I had to take a step ahead to 1 hour time frame to look at the area. So I placed a sell stop at 1600, which is a level whereby I'm expecting the market to drop and then continue dropping. So place a sell stop at 1600. Boom. So my sell stop is ready. Let's see how the market will move. The market is still going higher and then a reverse. But then look at that sharp shooting star right there, man. So it triggered my sell stop and then boom, the market continued to go in my favor. Cheers, guys.